Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you net working days between two dates. How can you calculate the working days? So stay tuned and watch till the end. In this example, I have name column, start date, end date, and I want to find out the working days between two dates. So I will use the formula is equal to NET. On second formula, networkdays.intl, I will use this for this tutorial. I have made the separate video for the first formula, network days. If you haven't watched that video, I'm giving the link in below description. You can check this out. I'm using the second formula, press tab. Very first thing is start date. My start date is this cell. Click on this one and then comma. My end date is this one. Again, comma. Now I need to decide what is my weekend. I have the Saturday, Sunday off, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, or only Sunday off. So for example, I have the Saturday and Sunday off. So I will select the first one, press tab, and then comma. If there are any holidays between the dates, so we need to consider the public holidays as well. So for example, I have the two holidays. So I will select both cells and press F4. And then last thing is close of bracket. Press enter. Now you can see it has calculated the working days between these two days by considering the Saturday and Sunday and these two holidays. So if I want to copy down, just drag from the bottom. So it will calculate the net working days between these two dates and excluding the weekends as a Saturday, Sunday we selected and these two holidays. So this is how this formula works. This is different to the other formula. The very first formula, if I show you, is equal to NET. Very first formula, this formula consider the Saturday, Sunday as your weekend, whereas this formula, it has the option you can select the Saturday, Sunday, Sunday only, Sunday, Monday, whatever the weekend you have flexibility to choose that. So this is the major difference between these two formulas. The formula start with network days.intl start of bracket start day and their weekend and the holidays. So this is how this formula work. You can calculate the networking days between your dates by considering the weekends, the holidays, and all that stuff. Hit the like button if you like this video and leave the comment in below section if this video helpful. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in the next video.